Hello everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 2 VR headset. I just got this one. It happened to be the last one at Best Buy, so I'm very happy about it. The one that I have specifically is the 128 gigabytes. But we're going to be unboxing it today and I'm very excited. So let's get started. Alright, that's the plastic. Here's what it looks like without the plastic. Anyways, how do I open this thing? I think it slides out. That is pretty awesome. Alright, I'm gonna open this facing you guys. So this is what the box looks like. Da 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 da! Gotta see this for myself. It's like very sturdy, just like whoop. I'll show you up close. So these are the handles. They're both the same. They have little tags in here, I'm assuming for batteries. That's pretty cool. And then the fun part itself, we've got the headset. Alright, let's take this unwrapping off. In here, I'm assuming this is the charging cable. Oh no, it's a silicone cover. Interesting. Interesting. I guess this is oh, I see. Okay. I'm gonna set the box down for now. So the silicone cover can go over this, like, it's almost like a foam here. So I'm gonna put that on really quickly. And there's like, little covers on the lenses that I'm gonna take off. The first one. That's the second one. So if you want an up close look of what it looks like, that's really cool. All right, and then if you want, it looks like there's a little glasses spacer that you can looks like you can put this under the silicone. Yeah. So if you wear glasses, I don't, but you can put this in there and then put the little silicone protector on top. And then I guess this is the charger. It says Meta Quest 2. Gonna set this down in the box for now. This feels very similar to an Apple product unboxing, just like the way that the products are placed in there. Feels very similar. So yes, this is the charging cable. Charger. Little power brick. It looks like it's USB-C to USB-C. So also similar to many Apple products. I know that my iPad has a USB-C to USB-C charger cable, so it's nice that now I have another one. This is about how long the cord is. I'm guessing 3 feet to 4 feet. And that's how you charge it. This is the reference guide. And there's also a safety and warranty guide here. Those two. Little booklet. This just tells you care and cleaning, how to start it, all of that fun stuff. And also the Meta Quest app on here as well. Pretty cool. Now also I heard that you can use your Quest to you can use it to cast onto your TV. So that way when you're playing VR, if you're not alone, you can have other people watch you. So I'm gonna see if I can set it up really quickly. Alright, so it looks like we hold this button for 2 seconds, so I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna try that. Oh, it's making noises. It's just black right now. I only saw the Meta logo for a little bit, but okay, now I see bubbles. Okay, it's telling me to turn my hand things on. Should have done that before I put this on probably, but it's okay. So we're gonna unplug this thing. There we go. Oh, I look weird. We're gonna unplug this one too. Or not unplug, but take the little battery stopper out. There we go. All right, now they're both on. Perfect, now I'm gonna put this thing back on. All right, so it's telling me, oh, that's cool, I can see them. Wow, all right. Press that button. Okay, we're going to do English US. Oh, you can move the lenses. That's cool. If the screen is blurry, remove your headset and move the lenses left or right to find the clearest view. I think this is pretty clear, but I can show you. The lenses apparently move like this. Whoa, you can move it. That's cool. Okay, mine's better inward like that, but all right. All right, so now it's having me set up my Wi-Fi. There we go, connect it to my Wi-Fi. And now there's music. So you can set a guardian boundary around you with this thing. That's cool. It's just playing a safety video right now. Your headset is updating to the latest software. This may take several minutes. 1%, downloading update 1 of 2. You can remove your headset, keep your headset charging, it will play a sound when the update's complete. All right, good to know. All right, so let me plug it in and I'll have it update. But that should be it for the video right now. Fix my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have this headset, let me know what your favorite games are to play on it. I'm definitely going to get Beat Saber, and I'm thinking of getting some of the Star Wars games. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye, guys.